Hi guys, hoping you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to prepare toasted bread with minced fillings. So here's my bread, as you can see, and I have already applied my margarine. Yeah, there is my margarine and my minced meat, and the other 2 slices of bread. I take around 4 slices of bread. So let me show you now. Let's first remove the margarine and the spoon. But I was using the spoon to apply the margarine on my bread. Yeah, now we remove the margarine and the spoon so as you can have more space. And now I take my minced meat. There it is. It's well cooked, by the way. I will show you in the next video how to prepare minced meat. I apply it evenly, or place it evenly on my bread, 1 slice of the bread evenly to my liking. It depends on you, on what you know, how much of minced meat you want to use. If you want to use more, there is no problem. So I add some. Yeah, there it goes, some, and spread it evenly. Then I cover it up with another slice of bread that I had, and there. Oh, okay, no problem. I messed up kidogo, so I cover it up, and there it is. I've covered it up. Then I place it on my toaster, and there is my toaster. It's clean. Yeah, it's clean. It looks nice. Yeah, and I'll also do the same on the other 2 slices of bread. Take my minced meat, apply it on 1 slice of bread, and spread it evenly. Yeah, evenly. Yeah, I'm spreading evenly. And now I take the other slice of bread. Take the other slice of bread. Then I will do the same thing. Place it on the toaster. Then I will, there it is. There's my bread on my toaster. Then I will close my toaster and leave it to toast for around 3 minutes or to 5 minutes, because the toaster I use, as you can see, it has a red button over there. When you turn it on, it will light up. When the bread is already prepared, the light will turn off, and that will show that the bread is prepared. So let's wait and let's see how it comes out. Yeah, here's our bread after 3 minutes of waiting. Yeah, the bread is even I don't know how to describe it. Looks delicious, by the way. You guys try out this, and don't forget to press that subscribe button and like this video, and subscribe to my channel, by the way. Yeah, until next time, God bless you.